All right, IB juniors, I got a bunch of exciting things to tell you. So listen here. First, complete the April 20th due now assignment. That's due before 2 today. That'd be great. And then second, after you finish the tests, and about half of you have already done that, but after you finish the tests, I would encourage you to do some extra credit to get ready for this next unit on the Russian Revolution. There's a good film to watch that we just don't have time to assign it, but it's called Nicholas and Alexandra, and it would be something that you could do once you finish the test, because I'm not going to assign anything else that's due on Wednesday. Everything is going to be due on Monday, so you'll have a week. That's partially because I want people to look at all the resources in this new unit, look at the learning targets, look at the maps, look at everything else that's available. Part of it is I want people that are behind to get caught up. This is an opportunity for you to do that. And part of it is I want to make sure that you do a really good job on your second attempt on the World War I test. So I'm going to grade those on Tuesday, and I'd like you to have that second attempt done by Friday. Okay, so of the things that we have looking ahead here, the World War I exam second attempt is due Friday, April 24th. The second thing here, extra credit, the movie, and it's in resources. It's in 4 parts, but Nicholas and Alexandra is due on Monday, April 27th. It's based upon a Robert Massey book. It's brilliant, and I think it really does help set the stage for this unit. And then the third thing that you could be working ahead on is the first assignment in the Russian Revolution unit, and that is an assignment called Political Parties October Revolt. You'll find that in assignments, the assignments folder, and then you'll find there's a reading that you would need in resources. So other than that, that's all I got. Do a great job on your tests. Have great attitudes, and I hope to see you guys soon.